We are at Sunriver, getting ready to go kayaking. Caldera Springs now selling. This is a cool place. Golf course, complimentary bicycles, and kayaks. We're gonna head out on the kayaks. There go Lila and Willie. Ship ahoy, Miley.
Miley, do you want me to put your phone in the car?
Oh, I have it.
Okay, here we go. I'm the navigator and videographer.
Oh, that's all right. She was talking crap about how Brian was doing the paddling and you were taking pictures. I'm like, what do you say? As I was doing the same thing, she's like, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we don't need two paddlers. How did Miley get a seat? Do you have a seat?
No, we don't have one.
Please.
These are like GoPro.
I don't even want to feel how cold the water is. Lights don't tip. I don't know if we caught the ducks or not. Uh-oh, coming up on a bridge, tunnel. Tunnel of love. Tunnel of love. Get us through the bridge. Tunnel of love here. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Echo, echo. Oh, this looks like a swamp. Watch out for alligators. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, dive bombing you.
Does it want to attack or what?
Yeah. Looks like it. It's wanting you out of its environment, invading its territory. I bet there's some babies up there. Whoa! Yeah, protecting its nest.
Here, I want to watch them go attack.
Wait for us.
Look out for the attacking redbird.
I know, I saw that.
I'm gonna see if it goes after you. Amber and Wally. You're motoring. Oh, crash. Let's play bumper boats.
Yeah, the last one on their boat wins.
High five.
Miley, don't drop out your phone.
Cool.
Look at him, Dad.
What?
Hey, don't drag it into the mark. Wally! Okay, let's all get in front and Miley will take a picture of us. Turn around, turn around. Gotta get in front of that thing. Which one?
You guys went over there in the weed.
Okay, Paul. Okay.
Turn it.
No, break it. Break.
Did you get that on video, Dad, the race?
No, I was busy.
Busy losing.
Let's watch this. Let's watch this action. Let's watch this action.
Hold on, hold on.
Well, you gotta put the rope on first. No, not first.
Just gotta roll.
Yeah, just roll or just scoot your butt off first. Or your foot. Wow, Lila's doing the stand-up technique. Good job.